Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to adjust voice chat volume in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. To adjust the voice chat volume in Modern Combat 5, launch open the Modern Combat 5 application on your device and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in the main screen, go ahead and tap on the arrow facing downwards at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu tap the gear button. This will bring open the settings interface. From the settings menu tap on audio/GFX. Now tap on the arrow at the right corner in order to get to this page, and here you should see the voice chat volume option. In order to decrease the voice chat volume, you can move the slider left or right to increase or decrease the volume to your liking, and that's it. The changes are typically saved automatically, but if there is a save or apply button, simply tap on that and you can get back to the game. And with this, you've successfully adjusted the voice chat volume. Now you can focus on teamwork and enjoy clearer communication during battles. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.